Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Sainsbury gift card, right? It's very easy to do it. So you have to first of all visit the Sainsbury website here. And first of all, you have to, it's great if you're already into login. So once you are did, you have to select the products here. So once you add the items into your card, so that's very important, then only we will able to use it. So I'll just click on add here, right? I'll just take few seconds of your time, and of course we have to log in into this. So guys, once you add this product, you have to just go to your cart, and once you go to your cart here, right, and you have to log in into your account, and once you go to your cart here, instead of adding your payment option, you have to just add these gift card, right, a gift card or promo code or whatever. And once you enter that, it will get redeemed and then you will able to use it. So here in the below you will able to find this option. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, subscribe.